Welcome to MTBC Web EHR 2.0 tutorial for Meaningful Use Stage 2. How to achieve core and menu measures. In this tutorial, we will look at the core measure number 8, Clinical Summaries. Let's open up the PDF from the CMS website. The objective of this measure is to provide clinical summaries for patients for each office visit. The measure requires clinical summaries provided to patient or patient-authorized representative within one business day for more than 50% of office visits. The exclusion is any eligible professional who has no office visits during the EHR reporting period. Let's check the attestation requirements for this measure. The denominator is the number of office visits conducted by the eligible professional during the EHR reporting period. Numerator is the number of office visits in the denominator where the patient or a patient's authorized representative is provided a clinical summary of their visit within one business day. The threshold is the resulting percentage must be more than 50% in order for an eligible professional to meet this measure. Now let's go to the MTBC Web EHR 2.0 to see how this measure is achieved. On the Web EHR, go to the Settings button, and when the drop-down menu opens, click Import Export. Now select the name of the provider and location of the provider. You can add the name of the patient by clicking the Add button. The patient can be searched using different criterion, for example, first or last name, patient account number, date of birth, etc. Since this measure requires a clinical summary of the patient, click Clinical Summaries, and upon clicking Generate, the Web EHR will generate the clinical summary for this patient. You can view all the information, and also you can customize the clinical summary by selecting the fields you want to add in the clinical summary for the patient. If you want to exclude something from the clinical summary, simply uncheck the box and click Export. The required changes will be made accordingly. Now you have a variety of options to provide the clinical summary to the patient or the patient authorized representative. You can download the clinical summary in a human-readable PDF format, transmit, or also print the clinical summaries and provide it to the patient or the patient-authorized representative. You can easily and quickly get a printed version by clicking Print CCD/CCR. This whole process fulfills the requirement for this measure. We hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for your time. If you have any questions regarding meaningful use, please contact us at 732-873-5133 extension 308.